Hello, my name is John Casey. I'm a forestry advisor with Teagasc. I'm here at the ploughing today. We're talking forestry with the public. So what we're really talking about is how forestry can complement farming rather than actually compete with it, in terms of what forestry do you want, where do you want it on your farm, whether you see it as woodland, whether you see it as trees, whether you see it as forests. And then what's the forestry going to deliver to you? Is it going to be timber? Is it going to be biodiversity? Is it going to be income? Forestry can do all of these things for you. It all depends on the mix you have and where you put it. So come to forestry, hear all about it.